Alright, you guys, I wanted to come on here today to make a video about YouTube monetization, and how much I've made on YouTube since I've been monetized. Now, keep in mind, I started my YouTube in maybe August of 2023. I started my YouTube channel with my first, I think it was like either the St. Louis fried rice video or the Chick-fil-A video. I started my YouTube channel. Everything was going good. I didn't have any like SEO strategy. I was just posting. I knew that I had to get the 4,000 watch hours or 3,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And I think at the time I only needed 500 subscribers for whatever reason. And I think the qualifications have changed. But it took me less than a year to become monetized. After I became monetized, actually, hold on, let's rewind a little. Because before I got monetized, do you know somebody reported my page in about March of 2024? My page, my YouTube channel got reported for whatever reason. I had no idea why. It got reported. When I say my page was suspended, it was gone. I was heartbroken. Like, when I say I was heartbroken, I was literally in, I don't even know where I was. I might have been in St. Louis. And I looked at my like YouTube and it was gone. And I'm like, what the heck was going on? I'm thinking it's a glitch. Okay. I go to Tokyo, right? In my mind, I'm like, okay, I'm not going to give up. I'm doing appeal after appeal after appeal. I am begging people on Twitter, like, please help me get my channel back. I don't know what I did wrong. It just says community guidelines, but I'm going through all of my content and I don't see anything wrong with my content. I don't know what it could have been. I still don't know to this day. I kept doing appeals. Appeal. Please, somebody help me. I was in Tokyo one day and I like check and I'm logging in. I go to YouTube and guess what? Guess what? So I log into my YouTube studio and it's back. It's back. Like, when I say I was so thankful. I literally prayed to God, and mind you, I was praying to God before, like, please give me my channel back. I finally got it back, and I continued to upload my content. I still was making content so that if it ever came back, I was going to be able to upload it. I ended up making a channel. It was crazy, but I was like, no, all that hard work I put in that other channel, I need it back. So I got the channel back, and about maybe July of 2024, I became monetized. So less than a year, I was monetized. Now, I don't know. It took, okay, that was about July. I got my first check from YouTube in October. And I'm going to show you how much my check was. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do a per video, like, how much I made, because I don't look at it that way. I just look at it as an overall amount. And as of right now, I have 2275 subscribers. My first check from YouTube. You guys ready? It's not much, but I mean, it's something. Something's better than nothing, right? But a little something is better than nothing, okay? So this was my first check on YouTube. And my first check on YouTube, it says that I was paid on October the 23rd of 2024. The earning period was June the 1st, 2024 through September the 30th of 2024. Now, mind you, you do have to have a minimum of $100 before you can cash out the funds that are in the YouTube account. And I know I'm just a starting YouTuber and I don't rely on this, but just to have a little bit of extra something to do things and do stuff that I love to do, which is make videos, record content, do all that, is super helpful. And I just love it. Like, I don't care if somebody said, oh, I'll pay you this much just to vlog your life. I want to vlog my life anyway, and I enjoy it, and I enjoy creating content. I love editing content. But here we go. I'm actually going to put it up here. So right here in this clip, it will show you that I got paid on October the 23rd of 2024. And the earnings that I cashed out at, because I was at and over $100, was $116.42. Okay. Now, as of now, I have $80.14 pending that I will possibly get. I don't know when. I need to keep uploading content and I need to keep getting views. So, um, the good thing is that I am monetized and I do create the content. And of course, one day something will go up. I don't know what it will be, but I pray to God it'll go up, and it will. So I'm being very patient. But I'm learning that I just watched another girl's video. Here's her YouTube here. And literally, I came downstairs and I was like, okay, let me make this video because she said something that made me think to myself, like, this is true. And I kept, like, thinking of marketing strategies on how to, like, market my YouTube. And she was right. It's literally like people want information. She was right. We are in a time to where it's like, okay, cool. I was watching my YouTube videos and I'm like, I don't relate to a lot of people. I don't relate to anybody. Like I'm going out doing vlogs, like going out to eat, going to concerts. Some people can't go to concerts. Like some people need information. When I say I have a lot of information, you guys, I am, when I say information queen and I love to give information, I need to get on here and start talking. Okay, cool. I go out to eat. Cool. I go to restaurants. Cool. I go to concerts. But I'm not withholding information. I just had to get to a stage to where I get comfortable just talking on camera and talking to you guys. And I can do that now. Like I have came to the conclusion that some of the content I post is not relatable to other people. People want information. People love information. People need information. I need information. I literally go on YouTube to find information. Why? Because I need the information. And guess what? Somebody's delivering that information. I have information on things all the way from funeral services. I went to school for funeral services and embalming. Like I used to work with deceased people. I have information on that. I went to school for marketing. I have marketing insights. Um, I have a page on Facebook called Atlanta Plastic Surgery because guess what? I've had plastic surgery and I always wanted to make sure that people who do and get plastic surgery do it the right way. Make sure they go to a board certified plastic surgeon. So those are some of the things I'm going to start bringing to my channel. Of course, I am still going to vlog because I enjoy vlogging things that I do. But those are some of the things I do want to start doing. So I do want to say as well, I waited a while to start my YouTube channel. Like when I say a while, I mean I waited like 10 years to start my YouTube channel. I am 36. I'll be 37 next month. And I wish I would have started my YouTube channel a long time ago because I waited way too long. So you don't need a camera. All you need is your phone. I have two phones. So this is not, oh, you're recording on a camera. No, I'm recording on another phone. I found that all you need is your phone, guys. Like people want information. I literally watched a girl last night live in a studio apartment. I don't know where she lived. A studio apartment tour she did of her apartment. It doesn't relate to me, but it was interesting. I was like, wow, I want to see this. So a lot of people relate to it. So she had a lot of views. So things that I can relate to some people with is number one, I'm monetized. How can you get monetized? How long does it take to get monetized? How much do you make after you get monetized? Strategies, SEO, which is search engine optimization, marketing, all those kind of things I'm gonna bring to you within my channel along with all the other stuff I love to do. I'm a mother. That's relatable to a lot of people. So all I'm gonna say today is if you're looking at starting a YouTube channel, go ahead and do it. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I don't know what you're waiting for. But while you're waiting to start your channel tomorrow or this week or whenever you start it, which I believe it should be 2025, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I most definitely appreciate it. And don't forget to as well comment below to let me know what you guys want to see on my channel. What do you guys want to hear me talk about? If I'm knowledgeable on it, I most definitely will talk about it. If I'm not, I don't know if I can help you. But I'm very knowledgeable on a lot of things. So yeah, guys, that's all I really have to say today. Uh, oh yes, I did forget about something. I did something for us, okay? I did something for us, and I did this so long ago. And these are the kind of things that I'm talking about when I say we have so many ideas, but we prolong our ideas because for whatever reasons, I don't know why we prolong it. Me prolonging YouTube because I'm like, oh, I need the best camera. I need this. You don't need all that. Like, please believe, like, you can. see on YouTube that people are just picking their phones up and recording, and that's the kind of stuff that we click on. People are going to eat, and people love watching people eat. But what I created here was a Facebook group called YouTube Nation. I created this in April of 2024. And the reason I created this was because back in March, like I said, my channel got, I don't know what it was called, suspended or deleted. And I ended up getting it back thanks to like filing a lot of appeals and asking to speak to a human and emailing YouTube. I finally got my channel back. I ended up starting this YouTubers Nation Facebook group so that small creators and creators in general can come together and, you know, have support from certain ideas versus just commenting under YouTube. So I'm the admin of this page. It is called YouTubers Nation. So yeah, I'll put a clip of it up here. So make sure you go follow that group, and I hope to connect with you guys in the future and sometime soon. So thank you for watching. Let me know if you have any questions below in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later. Peace.
She a baddie, she know that she pressed. Her glowing, I'ma say it's impressive. Get to a bed however she wants. You can do what you want if you want to. She a baddie, she know she gon' run it up. Send me the 80, you already know I'm gon' slide. I be a soldier in the field for you. They be acting, they ain't really outside. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag. Tany B in this lit. Tany B get the bag.